government approach that has seen us down on many aspects of spending, make sure that we reduce the accumulation of expensive debt and put the country on a trajectory of living within our means. Any questions? I can take one or two questions.
My name is Ruth Sarmoy from NTV. We have 2 Eurobonds which make interest payment in August and February, and now we've added another one. So isn't this too much for the taxpayer?
I don't think you contextualize the question you have asked, because what we have done today is historic. What we have done is to smoothen. We've changed the whole trajectory on how we are going to manage our debt portfolio. There will never come a time when we will be expected to pay a bullet 2 billion again. And it is because of our strategy and because of our understanding of the market that will give us the opportunity now to ensure that we manage our debt in a manner that doesn't put the country at a place where default becomes a possibility. And as I have told you, we have managed to get the country out of that situation where it was a candidate for default. Kenya is no longer in that category.
My name is Stephen Leto from Citizen TV. What is the ripple effect of the step that you've taken, especially to the lowering the cost of living? And number two, how much is the relief for the current financial year budget and consequently the next, that is the 2024-2025 financial year?
The strategy we have put in place over the last 1 year has seen the cost of living come down. Whether you talk about the cost of